You don't need a full production team or 40 hours a week to grow a successful online presence. But let's be honest, it's easy to feel super overwhelmed when you're juggling content creation with a job, a business, or just real life. And the truth is, most people give up because they think they have to be full-time to see results. That's exactly the problem the TMS Part-Time Creator Academy was built to solve. So in today's video, I'm going to break down what's inside the course, what makes it different from other creator programs, and whether or not it's actually worth it, especially if you're short on time but big on ambition. So now, what is the Part-Time Creator Academy? It's a digital course created by the team at TMS Media, the same folks behind courses like Viral Hook Masterclass and High Retention Editing course. But this course is built for creators who aren't doing this full time yet, but still want their content to perform like they are. It's designed to help you grow on short form platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts using intentional strategy, smart systems, and the same proven frameworks the TMS team uses to run content for their clients. But here's the difference. The course doesn't assume you've got endless hours, tons of experience, or a full-blown content calendar. It meets you where you are, helps you get clear on your message, and gives you a structure to show up consistently without burning out. Now let's walk through what you actually learn in the Part-Time Creator Academy and how it helps you go from I want to grow to actually doing it. First off, creator foundations and mindset shifts. The first section of the course helps you to set the foundation, how to think like a creator even if it isn't your full-time job. You'll learn how to create a content identity that makes sense for your life, your niche, and your energy. This includes figuring out what types of videos feel natural for you, how to show up consistently without faking it, and how to stop comparing yourself to creators who post 5 times a day. There's also a big emphasis on understanding the difference between vanity metrics and meaningful growth, which helps you stop obsessing over views and focus on impact instead. Next is the part-time content system. So this section is the core part of the program. You get access to TMS's full part-time content system, which breaks down how to come up with endless content ideas using their framework, film in focused time blocks so you're not winging it every day, create a batching system that works for your lifestyle, post consistently without letting it take over your week. They show you how to create 3 to 5 strong pieces of content per week, even if you're working a 9 to 5 or running a business on the side. Next is hook, edit, and post strategy. This is where they show you what works now, not what worked 2 years ago. They break down how to keep your content aligned with current trends without being gimmicky or losing your message. Whether you film talking head videos, vlogs, tutorials, or behind the scenes clips, the framework helps you make each video clear, punchy, and watchable. Next is the platform specific strategy. The course includes quick guides on how to adjust your approach for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. You'll learn how to format title and caption your videos differently depending on where you're posting. There's also a section on understanding analytics and knowing what numbers actually matter, so you're not just refreshing your views and wondering if it's working. Next is personal brand and monetization basics. Even though it's called part-time course, the strategy here is built for long-term growth. The module walks you through building a clear brand identity, defining your audience, and starting to create content with monetization in mind. Whether you want to land brand deals, drive traffic to your offer, or eventually go full-time, this part sets you up to grow intentionally, not just for views, but for actual income. Next is templates, Notion boards, and plug-and-play tools. You'll also get access to tools like a Notion content planner, hook and script templates, video idea generators, batching calendars, engagement checklist, and caption bank. These tools make it easier to organize your ideas, plan your week, and show up consistently without feeling like you're behind. If you are wanting to check them out further, I've left our exclusive link in the description below. Once you click on that, you'll see all of their courses, but we'll scroll to the Part-Time Creator Academy. Here you can go ahead and watch a video if you want to see even more information. If you scroll down, you can go ahead and see even what other people are saying. They've got a ton of testimonials. And again, you can go ahead and take a look at even more depth of what's actually included. So if you scroll all the way down, or you can go ahead and click on any of the Enroll Now button, here you can see it's typically $149.98. It's currently 60% off, which brings it to just $59.99, but that's not going to last for long, so make sure you are acting if this is something you're serious about. A really cool thing about TMS Media is each of their courses do have the 100% money back guaranteed, so if you didn't feel like you learned anything or it wasn't worth it, you can get your money back, no questions asked. So again, if you want to check it out, our link is in the description below. Now that you understand what's in the course, let's go over some of the pros and cons. So one of the biggest strengths of this course is how realistic and accessible it is. It's designed for people who want to grow as creators but can't commit their whole life to content right now. The system works with your schedule, not against it, which makes it actually doable. The video breakdowns, plug and play templates, and real world examples make it easy to take action, even if you're brand new. Another major pro is how it balances structure with flexibility. You're not given a rigid plan plan that you have to follow perfectly. You're given tools to build your own process that actually fits your life. That's rare in the content course world. Now, on the flip side, this isn't a course for people looking for advanced editing tutorials or in-depth business monetization strategy. It touches on monetization basics, but it's not a deep dive into making six figures as a creator. It's also self-paced, so if you need personal coaching or community support, you'll have to create that accountability for yourself. But overall, if your biggest struggle is figuring out how to show up and stay consistent while working with limited time, this course definitely solves that. So should you invest in the Part-Time Creator Academy? If you're someone who wants to create content that actually works, but you don't have 20 hours a week to dedicate to it, then yes, absolutely. This course is practical, clear, and made for people who are juggling a lot but still want to grow. It gives you the structure to stay consistent, the strategy to make content that connects, and the tools to do it in a way that feels sustainable. If that sounds like what you've been needing, then again, check out that link in the description and make sure you act fast if you're wanting to get that 60% off. In my personal opinion, the best courses are the ones that actually help you take action with the time and energy you already have. You don't need to do more, you just need a better system, and that's what the Part-Time Creator Academy gives you. If you've been putting off content because it feels too overwhelming or you just don't know where to start, this course is a great starting point. It's not overcomplicated and it's made for real people with real busy lives. That wraps up this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel or leave any comments or questions below. We'd absolutely love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you make smart choices about your online learning. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.